you say about that? You guys lose this time.
Hold it, we want another race.
Oh, they want another race, Trainer Mark?
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
Well, this time, I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I'm thinking about the ring race.
And what's the ring race?
The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the pole, the fastest is the winner, and that is a ring race.
So the ring race, it shall be. Remember that boys already have 1 point. So girls, let's show louder for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again, and this time, our ring race. Ready, set, go! Here's Rocco's first ring. Another ring for Rocky. Oh, what's happening? Sassy picked up the 3 rings. Sassy got number 3. And the winner is Sassy. Peter Mark, what can you say about that? 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys cheated!
Oh, he thinks you cheated.
No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain.
Oh, so it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys? A round of applause for Sassy and Rocky with Trainer Machine and Trainer Mark. Parrots are particularly known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why we continue to enhance their skills and not get more. Here is Sassy once again, and she will show us how intelligent she is by putting the sheet back to its correct slot. Just like Sassy, Gorilla Macaws from South America. They are known to be the gentle giants of the parrot family. It is because they are the second largest, next to the hyacinth mohawks. They can grow up to 92 centimeters in length and can live up to 8 years old. Scientific name is Arachloroptera. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along the river bank. Second to the last sheep, come on, Sassy. And for the last sheep, come on, Sassy, you can do it. There you go, Milton, right? A round of applause for Sassy with Trainer Machine. Now guys, who loves math? Everyone here knows addition, right? Well, this next part of the program will leave most people baffled and amazed. Even as trainers, do you think birds can do math? What?
Her name is Sandra, together with trainer Johnny, saying hello. Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea whether cold feet or feather-footed marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey ladies, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term pinnipeds may also be translated as wing-footed, since their flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place. Right, sila, friends? And did you know, they're often mistaken as seals because they look very much alike. But some differences between the seals and the sea lions is the fact that they have bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's the final demonstration. How about a round of applause for our sea lion friends? And you know what? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? Another round of applause for our sea lion friends. As you can see, their body is covered with a thick coat of short, coarse hair. And their whiskers help the sea lion's sense of touch. They contain nerve fiber, which make them sensitive. Ooh, nice smile. They may also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibration from play in the water. And their small slender ears give them a sense of hearing both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like many marine mammals, can see with both above and underwater. And they have a keen eyesight but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit waters close to shores, flat rock lakes with tide pools, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing ability, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. Check this out. Journeys from front rivers. Now, let's talk about their swimming abilities and let's start with Jenny, the smartest. Sea lions can generally cruise around 11 miles per hour using the rowing movements of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudders for steering. And that is their normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you so much, Jen and Trainer Bina. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to 20, Sandra? 25 miles per hour. Look at that. That is so fast. A round of applause for Sandra. That's sexy, yes. Ooh, nice ride. And another one. She deserved it. Now here's an interesting story about our sea lions. Did you know that the US Navy has trained a few of them to take part of their special operation? Yep, that's right. They're able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes. And they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy diver would be envious of. And since they cannot be detected by weather underwater, and they are taught to recognize and avoid underwater mans. Ladies, trainers, are you ready? Well then, salute.
Salute.
Now let's march. Ready, guys? Hop, 2, 3, 4, hop, 2, salute.
Salute.
This time, could you please join our sea lion in a salute? And a count of 3, everybody please salute and make this one loud. People in the crowd, are you ready? Hey guys, I can't hear you. Are you ready? Now let's count. 1, 2, 3. Salute everybody. Thank you so much. Sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water. H2O. So trainers, what first? The wings. Go ahead and get the wings, sea lion friends. And they got it. A round of applause for our sea lion friends. And another one. They're asking for it. Trainers, what's next? The balls. How do you think they get the balls? It's a ball balance. Careful, ladies. Almost there. Careful. Come on, Jenny. Steady. Fantastic. A round of applause for our sea lion friend. Excellent work, ladies. This time, would you love to see a dance number from our sea lion friends? Hey guys, where's the energy? Would you love to see them dance?
Yes!
Well, music maestro. Let's move it.
Nasa ganyan niya.
Clap your hands, everybody, come on. Now shift them just side by side. controlling. Okay, ladies, show them what you got. People in the crowd, ready your camera, and this is the best part. Steady and arriba! And for the finale. Steady, let's go! For the great dance number is sweet.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
We hope you will enjoy spending your afternoon here to Guatica with your newfound friends, the South American Sea Lions, Jenny and Sandra. And we also hope that even after you leave, you will take the experience with you wherever you go. And remember that what we do here on land greatly affects our friend in the sea. Sea lions, like many marine animals, cannot survive in a trash-filled environment. So, let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. You can learn more about this inside our oceanariums. Always keep in mind that we are the stewards of our planet and thus, each one of us must do what we can to protect and conserve all the inhabitants of our Mother Earth, including ourselves. So on behalf of Jenny and Trainer Bina, Sandra and Trainer Johnny, and all of us here at Capita and Manila Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. We hope you'll enjoy and visit us again soon. So take care and have a nice day. Say goodbye now from Sila and friends. Bye! Thank you for watching.
Sound check. Okay, dalawa po yung exit natin ha. Yung may babalikan pa pong attraction, dito po tayo sa right side mag-exit.